Oh, welcome back to Lucore Automotive Services. Sometimes you just got to get after a project that you picked up and you want to get done. You need to get it done. So sometimes you just got to get after it. I got this thing picked up about a month ago and I haven't done anything with it yet. So I'm going to see if I get the engine pulled out of this thing today. Because I need to take this to Michigan and shred a metric ton of old firewood that's sitting up there. Trees that were taken down last year. So let's get the chipper running, shall we? For those of you that don't know, this is a early 80s era AMC powered wood chipper. It's like probably a 6-inch throat. It's one of those type of pieces of equipment that if it fits, it chips. Got an engine block, got a housing, got a cover. The big thing is I got this engine to pop off and chug a few times, but it's pretty hurt, all things considered. So I decided to just pull the engine out of it, place it. Sometimes that's just the easiest thing to do. And since I'm going to be taking this up to Michigan, I want it to work. I'll probably see about using one of our other AMC's engines that we have sitting around. Because why not? Be interesting to see how much water comes out of this engine. Flex fan. Hey, now we're winning. It's actually amazing that nut came off of that stud. And it's starting to rain. Is that going to make me covered in bad things? Probably. Hammer. Change my gloves. Ooh, water. That's not good. Oil. Just water. There, Mr. Hose. It actually has coolant in it. Put water on the screen too. I'm like, why am I still seeing spots? Because it's all wet. Nothing terrible about it.
You could not have picked a worse day for this. It's like 38 and raining. This is terrible. Step back.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. I did put jack stand under the back because all the weight's going past the axle.
Yeah.
So when the engine's off, it's gonna fly up. Which is why I also decided to use the tractor because I can
Smart.
put the stinger down on top of it, give myself some extra safety. This is probably the safest way I can do this, honestly.
Yeah. The new very unsafe thing, the most safe way, man.
I'm gonna do something unsafe in a very safe way. Let me grab a primer. Just stuck on the dowels. Hey, here it is. Hey, it's got a brand new clutch on it. That's good. Been rebuilt at some point. Interesting to see what we find in there. Obviously it's going to be completely destroyed, considering there wasn't any oil in it. Just water. But it ran when it was parked. Well, there it is. 304 in all of her glory. Oh, I got to show you the shaft on this input. It's pretty methed up. Anybody know where I can get one of those input shafts at? He's a little crooked. I wonder if that's what blew the clutch up the last time around. That is a brand new heavy duty, really large pressure plate and clutch. Looks to be a super heavy flywheel, which is good for this application. It's got springs in every one of these, and it's balanced even. Nice. All right. Well, I got some work to do. I did put a jack stand under the back because I was afraid with all that weight there being behind the axle, it was just gonna flip the nose up and hit me in the chin, so better safe than sorry, I say. Well, I think I'm gonna take this thing inside and put it on an engine stand, strip it down. That'll probably be an episode for another day. I kind of want to see the carnage inside this thing. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. Have a safe day. We'll see you on the next one. gonna be ugly.